Hello friends, this is Professor T.P. Woodley, working as Assistant Professor at Department of Agriculture and Entomology at KKY College of Agriculture Biotechnology, Nasik. Today we will go through our new topic, that is the recent trends in the pest control. After the studying the integrated pest management tactics, there are some another methodologies which are evolved in recent years for the pest management. Biorational control or reset newer methods of the pest control includes some biorational control methods. Controlling insects using chemical that affects insect behavior, growth, and reproduction is called as the biorational control methods. Sometimes these are without chemicals and having no harmful effects on the as like the chemical pesticides. They are all called as the biorational agents in pest control because of their selective nature in killing only the target insects without affecting non-target organisms. It includes it includes the following methods like insect growth regulator, chitin synthesis inhibitors, juvenile analogs and anti-juvenile hormones, molting hormones, pheromones, chemicals, attractants, repellents, antiphedants, chemostimulants, and sterility techniques. So these are some newer methods which are involved in the biorational control method, and it is very effective and very. Insect attractants, the chemical that cause insects to make orient movement toward their source is called as insect attractants, where they influence the both gustatory that is the taste organs and olfactory that is the smell receptor. So insects having the different receptors, different sensors, sensory organs which they are attracted for the taste and for the smell. So by using this phenomenon, these insect attractants were modified in history, and nowadays many of workers and many of private firms who working on this insect attractant. Type of attractant, the pheromones. Pheromones are chemicals secreted into the external environment by an animal which elicit a specific reaction in the receiving individuals of the same species. Sex pheromone. A sex pheromone released by one sex only to attract the other sex of the species. For example, for cotton bollworm, vitiliure and irvilure. For the spotted bollworm, that is Aedes vitella, Helilure and Exalure. For the American bollworm, that is Helicoverpa parmigera. So this is example of the sex pheromone. Aggregation pheromone. The pheromones released by the one sex only give response in both sexes of the species. For example, melon fruit fly attracted by the Q lure, or the even the mango fruit fly. There is a Drosophila melanogaster also attracted by this fruit fly lure. Food lures, the chemical present in the plant that attract the insect for the feeding. They stimulate the olfactory receptor that is for the taste. So insects are attracted for the food source, which is also being used for the pest control management. There are list of some natural and synthetic food lures which is used in pest management. In insect pest, first the paste of the cruciferous, the isothiocyanates from the seeds of cruciferous, they are used for the natural and synthetic as a natural food source for the attractant of the pest. Onion fly, the polypropylemercaptan from the onions was isolated and used. When the bark tree, the terpenes of the bark was used. The housefly and moth butterfly fermenting syrup or the fermenting sugar or jaggery syrup or molasses or liquid molasses or liquid jaggery is also used for the attractant, the housefly moths and butterflies, as they are served, as they are since this is a natural food source. The synthetic some food lures, oriental fruit fly, tyramid lure, melon fruit fly, Q lure, diamondback moth having the synergy that is attracted for the diamondback moth. Oviposition lures, the chemical that govern the selection of the suitable sites for the oviposition by adult female. That is, for example, paramethyl acetophenone and rice temporal helicarpa lay eggs more than on the plants which deep in juice of the corn seed. So this type of some attractants used for the oviposition lures. So this is very useful to attract the insects for their oviposition. Repellent, the chemical that induce avoiding or oriented movement an insect away from their source is called the repellent. They are prevent they prevent insect damage to the plants and animals by rendering them unattractive, unpalatable, or offensive. The types of repellent: the physical repellent produces repellence by the physical means. Contact stimuli repellent, that substances like wax or oils when applied on the leaf surface they change the physical texture of leaf which are disagreeable to the insect for the oviposition or feeding. Auditory repellent. The amplified sound is helpful for the repelling the mosquitoes. Barrier repellent, that is tar bands or trees or mosquito nets are example of the barrier repellent which prevent the entry to the restricted area. Visual repellents, the yellow light act as a visual repellent for the some insects. Some specific frequency of the lights is very active for the repellency. Feeding repellent, the antifeedant are feeding the repellents, they inhibit the feeding activity of the insect. Chemical repellents, the repellent of the plant origin. Essential oils of the citronella, camphor and cedarwood oil act as a repellent. Commercial mosquito repellent like the Odomos using the citronella oil extracted from the lemongrass. Andropogon pardus as a repellent. So these are the commercial formation as a repellent for the mosquito. Pyrethrum extracted from the chrysanthemum is a good repellent which is studied for their pesticide activity also. Cerasol oil and coal tar oil protect the wood from the termite attack, which is being used in various furniture and various industries. Synthetic repellents or repellents synthetically produced in laboratories. For example, insect, mosquito, and bloodsucker, the dimethyl phthalate is work as a repellent. For the mites, chiggers, the benzyl benzoate is used for the repellent. Crawling insect, thiachlorobenzene is used for phytophagous insect. Bordeaux mixture is used. Wood reef feeders, pentachlorophenol is a repellent. For fabric eaters, naphthalene and mothballs, which are very commonly used in our household. Bees, the smoke is a repellent which is used during the harvesting of the honey. The third one is the antifeedant or feeding deterrent. The antifeedant are the chemical that inhibit the feeding of any insect when applied on the foliage or food without impairing their appetite and gustatory receptor or driving repelling them away from the food. They are also called as the gustatory repellent, feeding deterrent and the rejectant. Since do not feed on the treated surface, they die due to starvation. The group of antifeedant, the trizene, that is AC24055, has been the most widely used trizene, which is odorless, tasteless, and non-toxic chemical, which inhibit the feeding of chewing and insects are like caterpillars, cockroaches, and beetles, which is used in many the plant protection inputs. Organothemes, these are the compounds containing the tin triterphenyl tin acetate is an important antifeedant in this group, effective against the cotton leaf worm, chloroid beetle, caterpillar, and grasshoppers. Carbamates at a substance lethal dose, thiocarbamates and the phenyl carbamates act as antifeedant by leaf feeding insects like caterpillar and chloroid potato beetle. Biogon is a systemic antifeedant against the cotton bollweed, which is very popularly used for the control of the cotton bollweed. Botanicals, some antifeedants from the non-host plants of the pest can be modified for their control. The following antifeedants are produced from different plants. First is the very well-known pyrethrum, which is extracted from the flowers of chrysanthemum. Act as an antifeedant for the low dose attack against the biting fly. Neem is used traditionally from long years ago in India to protect the seed-borne to the seed storage grain pest. It is also having the antifeedant activity and most of the chewing pest and desert locusts in a particular area. 5% leaf extract is used for the control of the locust. Apple factor, that is fluorazine, is extracted from the apple, which is effective against non-apple feeding aphids. Solanum alkaloids, that leptin, tomatin, solanine from the Solanaceae family vegetables. There are alkaloids extracted from the solanum plants are having the antifeedants for two leaf hoppers. Miscellaneous compounds like the copper stearate, copper resinate, mercury chloride, and phosphor are good antifeedant which can be used for pest management. There are some sterility techniques. The definition of this is to control the pest population achieved by releasing large number of sterilized male insect which will compete with the normal males to reduce the insect population in subsequent generation. It is usually referred as a sterile insect technique, that is SIT or SIRM, that is sterile insect release method. This is also tested in the foreign countries for some research purpose. Sterile insect release method is a genetic control method. This is also called as the autocidal control method, since insects are used against the members of their own species. So sterile male are released to mate the female of the same species, which reduce its population. E.F. Niflin in 1937 in Southeast Asia, Southeast USA used this sterile insect release method technique to control the screwworm fly as a series sliced of paste in uh, the animal husbandry industry. It is also referred as the father of male sterility technique. Methods of sterilization: the chemosterilant, the any type of chemical which interfere with the reproductive capacity of an insect. They inhibit the nucleic acid synthesis, inhibit the gonad development, and they produce mutagenic effect, which prevents the production of the F1 generation. For example, the TEPA, that is tetraethylene pentamine, metapa, thiotapa, apellate chloroethylamine, 5-fluorouracil, amitriptyline, 0.5% TEPA, reduce the housefly population. Affiliate solution cause menstruality in the bovine. Radiation done by the exposing the insect to the radiations, X-rays and neutrons of these irradiation made with the cobalt 60 is the most common method, and this is used in the various sports to control the insect pest attack like mango stone meal or mango fruit fly for their complete eradication. Limitation: not effective against the insects which are prolific breeders. Sterilizing and mutagenic effect of the chemosterilants and irradiation cause a problem in higher animals, even in human being also. That is, it for proves the carcinogenic and mutagenic effect on the animals. Genetic control, that is the transgenic crop. Use of molecular biology technique for the management of the insect pest. The following are some strategies. Wide hybridization. This technique involves the transfer of gene from one species to other species by conventional breeding. The gene, for instance, are transferred from a different species. For example, white backed plant hopper resistant gene has been transferred to Oryza sativa from Oryza officinalis. The somoclonal variability, the variation observed in a tissue culture, they were derived progeny. For example, somoclonal variants of sorghum resistant to the Spodopteroleukera have been evolved in the somoclonal variability. The transgenic plant. The transgenic plants are the plants which possess one or more additional genes. This is achieved by the cloning additional gene through genetic engineering into the plant genome by genetic engineering techniques. The added gene imparts a resistance to the pest. Transgenic plants have been produced by addition of one or more following gene. In Bt, the delta and redoxin from the Bacillus thuringiensis, protease inhibitors, amylase inhibitors, lectin enzymes are the utilized for the control of the pest. The in Bt, delta endotoxin gene, the gram-positive bacteria Bacillus thuringiensis produce crystal toxin called the delta endotoxin. The endotoxin is a stomach poison, and it kills the lepidopteran pest if they consume in the gut juice availability of the pH of alkaline pH. The gene, that is a DNA fragment responsible for the producing endotoxin in isolated from the Bt and uncloned into the plant like cotton, potato, maize. Even in most of the world, most of countries are following this technique for the transgenic development. Transgenic plants available in all over world. For cotton, mostly bolons and Spodopteroleukera is available. Maize, European corn borer, rice, leaf folder, leaf stem borer, lepidopteran pest. Tobacco and tomato for the cutworms, potato, eggplant, Colorado potato beetle, and even the eggplant. The Lucinodes arolis, that is a major fruit and shoot borer, was also controlled by this transgenic Bt plants. Semiochemicals, the word semiones or means signal chemicals in all in the communication are termed as the semiochemicals. Semiochemicals are the chemical substances that mediate communication between organisms, most secreted by the exocrine glands in insect, can be divided into two groups based on the who sends a message and who receives this message. So semiochemicals may be classified into pheromones, that is intraspecific semiochemicals, allulochemicals, that's intraspecific chemicals. Intraspecific intraspecific semiochemicals, these are responsible for the behavioral changes among the individuals of this species, for example pheromones. Interspecific semiochemicals, these are the responsible for the behavioral changes between the individuals of the different species, that is the allulochemicals. So this is the difference between pheromones and allulochemicals. They are respectively intraspecific and interspecific semiochemicals. Pheromones, that is pherin means to carry, hormone means to excite. In 1959, German chemist Carlson and Luscher coined the term pheromones. The pheromones are exocrine secretion, that is excreted externally of the insect, which are used for the communication among the different individuals of the same species. This phenomenon is given by Carlson and Luscher in 1959. Definition of the pheromone: a substance that secreted by an organism to outside the environment and cause specific reaction in a receiving organism of the same species is known as the pheromone. The pheromone may be classified into two groups. First is the primary pheromones. Primary initiate changes that develop under such as maturation. They act through the gustatory, that is a taste sensilla, caste determination and reproduction in the social insects like ants, bees, wasps, termites are mediated by primary pheromone. These pheromones are not of much practical value in IPM. The another one is the releaser pheromone. Releaser with which induce the immediate behavioral change. The phenomenon act through the olfactory or smell or sensilla and directly act on the central nervous system of the recipient and modify their behavior. They can be successfully used in the pest management program. So releaser pheromone may be divided into subparts like sex pheromone, aggregation pheromone, alarm pheromone, trail pheromone. So these are the basic two groups of the pheromones, that is primary pheromones and releaser pheromones. The sex pheromone, a substances that produces by the female, virgin female, to attract the male for the purpose of mating. In 1959, the Betanant isolated they identified the first pheromone, a sex attractant from the silver moths, that is the bombicol. They they are most commonly released by the females, but may be released by some male also. Insects order producing the sex hormones: Lepidoptera, Orthoptera, Dictoptera, Diptera, Coleoptera, Hymenoptera, Hemiptera, Neuroptera, and Mecoptera. These orders are having their contribution in secretion of the sex pheromone. In Lepidoptera, sex pheromone system is highly evolved, and most of pest is being controlled through this sex pheromone lures. Pheromones producing glands. In Lepidoptera, they are produced in irreversible glands, that is at the tip of the abdomen. The females, the aphrodisiac glands of male insects are present at the scent brush at the tip of the abdomen. It is the male butterfly. Pheromone reception. The female sex pheromone are usually received by the olfactory sensilla on male antenna. So this is help for their sensation, the sex pheromone. Female chemicals nature of the sex pheromone. In general, pheromones are have a large number of carbon atoms and high molecular weight. It is a primary alcohol. It is in slow release dispenser, that is a rubber septa or silicon septa with hollow fibers that are used for the lures in the trap for the various designs. The following are the same some of the female sex pheromone identified in insect. First is the name of the insect and their pheromone. Silkworm, Bombyx mori, pheromone is the bombicol. Gypsy moth, and GP lure or disperse lure. Pink ball on the pectoral lure, gossip lure. Again the cabbage lure for trichosmini, that is a lure. Tobacco spodopteral, that is spodolure. Gram pod lure. Honeybee, queen apis, that is queen substance. Spotters of spiny worm or vitella is Eri lure. Diamondback moth, debium lure. Brinjal shoot and foot borer, that is elucin lure. So these are some examples of the lures. Even the some male examination, male sex pheromone like cotton boll wheel granule, cabbage lure for mated and fruit fly. The male pheromone, sex pheromone was used to attract the opposite sex for the mating. Aggregation pheromone, substances produced by the one of the sex that bring the both sexes together for the feeding and reproduction. These are released by the members of one of sex family but elicit the response in the members of the both sexes of species. Bark and ambrosia beetles is an example of the aggregation pheromone. Generally found in the Coleoptera and Dictoptera order. Alarm pheromone, a substance that produced by an insect to repel this disperse the other insect of the same species in that area. These pheromones are reported in Homoptera, Isoptera, and Hymenoptera. The pollen glands of the ants, cephalic glands in termites, sting, mandibular glands in workers, bees, and cornicles in aphids are the actually the secreting uh, secreting this alarm pheromone. An individual also release then when the enemy attacks to give the message to the other individual of the same species. Trail pheromones, the trail marking pheromones are the substances low persistent that are released to previous pursued by the individual of the trail. These pheromones are specifically found in social insects like Hymenopterus and termites. Even the ants, the Formica rufa, using the formic acid as a trail marker. Even this can be observed in everywhere, in even our household also. The ants are making a trail the very good manner. They are traveling from one place to another place with the same way. They facilitated the migration of the colony to new site in search of the food. Use of the pheromones, that is monitoring and pheromone can be used for the monitoring purpose, mass trapping purpose, and mating distribution purpose, which is very good tool in mechanical pest management system in integrated pest management. Allelochemicals. R.H. Whitaker coined the term allelochemicals. It is defined as the non-nutrient substances originating from an organism, maybe plant or maybe animal, which affects the behavioral, conditional, ecological welfare of the organism of the another species. Allelochemicals affect the behavior, growth, and development of an insect as well as their natural enemy. Allelochemicals are divided in following subcategories like allomenes, carriomones, and cinnamones, and apnemones. Allergens are chemical substances produced by the organism that favorable to the emitter but not to receiver. That's venom secreted by the social wasp. Production of the allergens is a common from the defense, particularly by the plant species against the insect herbivores. Example includes the chemicals from the defensive glands of the various bugs and grasshopper and beetles. Another is the carriomones, the chemical substances produced by the organism that favorable to the receiver but not to emitter. An example of the carriomones can be found in the pine tree, which produces the terpene called as the myrcene. When it is damaged by the western pine beetle, specialist predatory beetles find the bark beetles, their prey, using this pheromone of the bark beetle produces. So this is help for the indirect control through this their predator beetle. Cinnamones are chemical substances produced by the organism that favorable to the both receiver and the emitter. Yet both species get the benefit of this secretion. For example, the pine tree damaged by the beetle often emit terpene that attracts a parasitoid insect that parasitize the pest beetle. So both insects get benefited from these secretions. So this is about the cinnamones and the other the phenomena. Apnemones, the chemical substances produced by the non-living material that favorable to the receiving organism but detrimental to an organism of another species that is found on or in non-living material. For example, Ichneumon wasp, Ichneumon parasite that Venturi consequence is attracted by the smell of the oatmeal, which is a food of its host. Here, it is advantageous to recipient, but it is the but which is the parasitoid but detrimental to host insect living on oatmeal, that is non-living material. So this is the example of the apneumon. So thanking for your kind attention in this chapter for the recent trends in the pest management. Hope this is very useful for to getting the recent trends or newer trends in the pest management. This video is prepared for the academic purpose, not for the commercial purpose. Thanking you.